hands together for all the members.
Good evening, friends. My friend present here, Ajay Bhai, Dominic ji, Rajesh Prajapati ji, Naval Azmera. In fact, many of them I have already interacted while working in the BMC, even in the Thane Municipal Corporation, and all dignitaries. First of all, let me congratulate on the 2 years. Trust me, this 2 years is going to be very important for you, and I am sure you are going to rock it. Why? What I can see as a MD SIDCO, these 2 years are very important as far as the growth of the area in the Oran Duragri and the SIDCO. This will be one of the highest growth rate. With the completion of the MTHL, which is already there, and with the verge of completion of the international airport, this area has the tremendous potential. I can tell you, this airport, you must have seen the video clip a few days ago where that aircraft is running over that runway, which was the calibration of the navigation system. It won't be a surprise. Next month or next to next month, you might see a Sukhoi landing on this airport. Ajay Bhai knows better. Even I know, but it won't be a surprise and it will be the fact. And further, this international airport will be or likely to be inaugurated in the first quarter of the next year. I can assure you, I know when I joined here in the month of February, I have completed 4 or 5 months. There was a lot of difficulty in completion of the airport. There was small or much bigger issues. Have taken the meeting, have visited the airport almost 14-15 times personally, have taken out all the issues sorted. So everything is on the track. One runway of the 3700 meter length is completed, including the topmost layer, including the marking. This is the kind of a progress which you can see. When I joined, there was a lot of problem, but yes, we did what we wanted to do it. Another issue, not just airport, but for the airport to get the traffic and the catchment, that all the connectivity which is going towards the airport, maybe from the western side as well as from the eastern side, they all are on the war footing. I can assure you and promise you, the works which are being started now, have started during my tenure, will not be delayed. This has to be completed in time means time. We following in such a way, such a rigorous follow-up. When I say the follow-up, obviously the hurdles, problems which they are facing, we are sorting out immediately whatever the decision required to be taken, we are taking. Not only that, for this area to develop, when area is developed, when you have the good transportation facility, you have the airport, you have the railways, you have that road network, then the area is developed. To get the catchment to that area, a new metro from the old airport to the new airport, for the DPR is in the progress. Maybe we are in the tendering process within a month. Maybe before that.
Mr. Rakesh ji and his new team. I am very thankful to Rajesh ji for calling me and giving this opportunity with this respect. Our so many friends available here. They are working with me since last 3 to 4 years in the close vicinity, and now today Honorable CM Sir has given me this opportunity to work as a joint MD in CIDCO. On this occasion, my friend Rajesh ji told me to have a few words. I think when Honorable MD Sir is there, the name which is famous in the state is Double A. He is also available here. And when joint MD like me, so many builders and so many architects, so many professionals know me very well. So what to deliver? So I decide no ALP, no DLP, no SLP. So today, excluding all this, I request all of you 100% CIDCO administration is always positive. Many of you all knows our working style. We have always a warm regards, warm welcome with all of the professionals, because we know architects, builders are the one of the part and developers of the city also, not only the one particular building or particular area. When you people are having a good friend like Ajay Bhaiya, the best outcome of this friendship is in the form of the UDCPR. UDCPR, I am the urban manager. I am working in the urban development last since 29 years. And this is the best outcome of this public government.
Friends, my friend present here, Ajay Bhai, Dominic ji, Rajesh Prajapati ji, Dhaval Azmera. In fact, many of them I have already interacted while working in the BMC, even in the Thane Municipal Corporation, and all dignitaries. First of all, let me congratulate.
And whatever hurdles, whatever problems we face as a fraternity, we have our dignitaries in front of us. We have got Ajay ji, we have got Dominic ji, we have got Shailesh ji, Dhaval ji, who are there to guide us. So I believe that, with unity comes prosperity. So I believe that, the membership of CREDA MCHI of this particular unit has to rise many folds. And we will make sure, sitting in Mumbai, that whatever issues we have for this particular region, we are there to help you. With those words, I think I should not speak much, because we have got much more higher rated people in front of me to speak about. So thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Thank you very much for being here. I just want to congratulate the CREDA MCHI Urandurangiri team. They have been doing fantastic job. This area has a great potential. As we all know, this is Mumbai 2, Mumbai 3. Everything over here, and the unit is definitely working towards making sure that the vision of the government, the vision of all of us, to ensure that this city becomes an actual planned city, an actual city which everyone believes and dreams to live across. So a lot of responsibilities is there on the shoulders of our members over here. So, and they have been tirelessly working towards ensuring that we continue doing this.
Singhal ji, Deshmukh ji, my past presidents, my presidents of now, Madan ji, Mahesh. If I'm missing anybody, I'm sorry. But I think people have spoken a lot. Like everybody has spoken in the past. We have Ajay Bhai with us. So we have a great success about his story also. And I'll start with a small quote. Our greatest weakness is our giving up our failure. Just try once and you'll get successful again. It's by Thomas Edison. So as Dhaval just said, when he was speaking about the Dorangi thing that we missed on something which we were not successful, I tell Deep and his Rajesh ji to try once again, we'll be successful. Like Madam said in the RR Parkon thing that they have done many firsts. I think Urandunagri has done also the first, and I've been fortunate as a president to have the unit installed in front of me. The most important thanks goes to Sailesh Puranik, the guy who really pursued us to have many more, chapters amongst Krida MCHI, which was really remarkable. I can only tell you one thing, my friends. We have been trying and been succeeding. We have to keep trying to be successful. But with this government in place, with all the benefits we have, with the atmosphere of what we see, the buoyancy in real estate, we should be level-headed and not being carried, by making mistakes of our predecessors in the past and having a bad name. RERA is a very good weapon for us to show our faith of our good governance, as I would say. Today, we are very fortunate. Yesterday, the budget gave us the status of, like all financial institutions, 12.5 from 20 is a great leap to us for success. People will complain of indexation not being there and all that. But look at the youth. Our generation today is 30 plus. Look at the number of houses the new Gen Z will buy from you. Thanks to Maharashtra government for giving us a facility to trade over our stamp duty within 3 years. So basically, effectively, you will be only paying GST money. But within 2 years of capital ground game tax, you are only going to pay 12.5%. This buoyancy is all our success of trying of our earlier people who worked with us, and we kept getting successful. I really don't want to make it too long. I thank one and all of you for coming here, especially Deep. I just saw him, he's still working as a secretary, not as a president. The big round of applause for Deep, the way he's still managing as a secretary. You make me remind me my 12 years old journey when I was secretary for the first award. Looking at this guy, really amazing Deep. You have really worked hard, very encouraging. I think Rakesh has a lot more to climb, so I wish him all the success. And as Krida MCHA as a chapter, we are always there for one and all of you, not only for your chapters, but individually also. If you have any issues, we have worked, as Rajesh said, for this, we went to every CS possible. Ki sir, iska kuch na kuch rasta nikalo. I can name all the CSs, but I don't want to name them. But I'm saying we found solution after trying. So failure is not that you have failed. It's just a step towards success. So keep trying. You'll be successful in time to come. Thank you once and all again. All the very best. God.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for your kind words. Friends, it's really a pleasure indeed to be here. And I was just recollecting in the last almost 2 years, this may be only second or third occasion where I have been able to attend an MCHI function. And I really regret it. Because I'm missing all the fun that we MCHI guys together, we have been having for such a long time. Long innings all of us have played. And it's very nice to meet all of you all again. I mean, I have been not attending, I am the culprit. Well, you guys are moving on strongly, and that's very nice. Especially it is very nice to come back here with I remember during COVID times we had our MMR action group. All of you all were there. Bhaviskarji was there. Vijayji was there. Madanji was there. Israel was there. And so many all of you all. We're all here. Maheshji was there. I know all of you guys for last so many years now. And I remember at that time, you all made me the chairman of the group MMR committee. And that was the time when we really had to fight the government of whatever was not going right, whatever needed to be done at that time. And largely, we had so many webinars, we had interactive meetings, and a lot of things did happen at that time, and that spirit was what was commendable. And in that, especially the MMR, all the committee members, I should applaud the way Israel was responding at that time, the way everybody was happening, the spirit the spirit of fighting, the spirit of giving back, हमारा हक मांगने की जो हिम्मत थी हमारे में, that is what is most important. All
is somewhat like JNPT. It's always a location that has been an estate as an investment and opportunity for end users also. How do we really position it in the market? So here is the MTHL, obviously, the upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport and the JNPT. To show people what it is and what is coming on in the near future, infrastructure space in India. So with Akash Bhavsar, we made content talking about
क्रेडाई MCHI उरन द्रोणागिरी इस चैप्टर का चेंज ऑफ गार्ड सेरेमनी था, जो दीप जी हमारे फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट हैं, उन्होंने आज हैंडओवर किया था चार्ज मुझे। और आज का इवेंट लगभग 200 से 250 डेवलपर्स ने अटेंड किया। और आज के आगे जो मेरा विजन ये था कि जो हमारे मेंबर्स हैं, जो उरन द्रोणागिरी के जो डेवलपर्स हैं, उनके जो इश्यूज़ हैं उसको आगे करना, उसको एजुकेटिव करना और आगे उनके इश्यूज़ को क्लियर करना।
ओके सर,
हमने बहुत इवेंट पे मेहनत की और बाय ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड इवेंट बहुत अच्छा हो गया। और हम MCHI द्रोणागिरी की एसोसिएशन अभी आगे भी द्रोणागिरी के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम करेंगे और हम लोग का फुल कोशिश रहेगा कि द्रोणागिरी बहुत से आगे नोट लेके जाए।
हमने सबने साथ में बैठ के एक बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन ले किया है और बहुत काबिल हाथों में हम लोग अभी आगे का जर्नी हैंडओवर कर रहे हैं और ये एसोसिएशन और अच्छा काम करेगा आगे जाके। थैंक यू।
ओके राकेश,
उरन द्रोणागिरी में बहुत ग्रोथ और बहुत फ्यूचर ब्राइट है। जैसे आज MD साहब ने बताया कि अटल सेतु चालू हुआ है, एयरपोर्ट बहुत जल्दी चालू होने वाला है और वो बहुत जल्दी उसमें प्लेन लैंड होने वाला है और शायद नेक्स्ट ईयर फरवरी तक वो ऑपरेशनल हो जाएगा। तो ये सब चीज़ों की वजह से उरन और द्रोणागिरी जो एरिया है उसमें बहुत पोटेंशियल है और बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ उधर होने वाला है। तो बस उसके लिए ही फ्यूचर के हिसाब से हम लोग कर रहे हैं।
एयरपोर्ट की वजह से जनरेट होगी और उस एम्प्लॉयमेंट की वजह से लोगों को नए घरों की आवश्यकता होगी। आज के प्राइसेस आज एक रॉक बॉटम पे है। आज के प्राइसेस देयर इज ओनली वन वे, वो सिर्फ ऊपर ही जाने वाला है अभी। तो इन्वेस्टमेंट वाइज भी जो अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग के लोग हैं वो सब बेनिफिट करेंगे इसमें।
बेसिकली मतलब एज अ नोड ये वन ऑफ दी अच्छा डेवलपिंग वाला नोड है जहाँ पे सारी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कनेक्टिविटी है। आज रोडवे, रेलवे, वाटरवे, सारा हर वे से ही कनेक्ट होता है, एयरवेज। और मुंबई से हम आज 20 से 25 मिनट में कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं। इससे बड़ा और क्या चाहिए। और अच्छा एक बोल सकते हैं कि द ओनली नोड विच कनेक्ट विद द एक्चुअल बीच। सो काफ़ी अच्छा डेवलपमेंट अगेन सिडको का वेल प्लान नोड है। सो आप जैसे दीप जी ने बताया वैसे ही कि प्राइस एक अच्छा वहाँ पे अच्छा प्राइस पॉइंट है आज की तारीख में, जो अपने को ग्रोथ के लिए रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से मतलब बढ़ने के काफ़ी चांसेस है। तो दैट रियली हेल्प टू बूम द द्रोणागिरी मार्केट।
देखिए, आज जो यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने ये चेंज ऑफ गार्ड रखा, चेंज ऑफ गार्ड मतलब एक टीम जो 2 साल से काम कर रही थी उसने अब अपना कार्यभार दूसरे टीम को दे दिया। उसमें प्रेसिडेंट, सेक्रेटरी, ट्रेजरर पहले अलग थे, अलग हो गया, तो इसको चेंज ऑफ गार्ड बोलते हैं। और इस चेंज ऑफ गार्ड के अंदर जब हम लोगों को बुलाते हैं, जो MD, जॉइंट MD सिडको के और दूसरे जो सम्मानित व्यक्ति हैं, जो MCHI के डोमिनिक रोमेल, उनके प्रेसिडेंट धवल जी, ऐसे सब लोग आते हैं और अपना अपना विचार व्यक्त करते हैं, तो एक नॉलेज मिलता है लोगों को। तो चेंज ऑफ गार्ड जो है वो एक ऐसा इवेंट होता है जिसमें ना सिर्फ टीम बदलती है बल्कि बहुत सारा नॉलेज भी मिलता है, आगे का एक विजन तैयार होता है। तो इसलिए ये चेंज ऑफ गार्ड आज का इवेंट था और हम लोगों ने इसमें काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें सुनी जो MD साहब ने बोला और वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि आज एक मतलब अनाउंसमेंट जैसा ही हुआ कि 2025 के स्टार्टिंग में एयरपोर्ट का शुरुआत होने का एक जो अनाउंसमेंट किया और नैना में जो 20,000 करोड़ से ज़्यादा का जो इन्वेस्टमेंट, जो टेंडर्स उन्होंने दिए हैं, ये सब चीज़ जो है वो आम पब्लिक, आम जनता या इवन बिल्डर्स को नहीं पता रहता है, जो कि MD, जॉइंट MD ये लोग हमारे यहाँ के अनाउंस करते हैं। और इससे एक दिशा मिलती है बिल्डर्स को भी कि किस एरिया में हमें इन्वेस्ट करना है, कैसे हमको आगे बढ़ना है। तो आज का इवेंट हमारे हिसाब से उस दृष्टिकोण से काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल